Hi everyone, I'm Bindu and I welcome you to Bindu's Terrace Kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm showing you how to make garlic potato bites. So let's get started. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic. Now at low flame, saute it until it becomes golden brown in color. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 cup water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 cup rice flour. Mix it. Now cook this for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. Now let it cool. Once the mixture is cooled, add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. 4 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix well and knead it into a dough. Add 2 tablespoons of cornflour for binding. One tablespoon oil. Mix and knead it. Once you knead it, take a small portion of the dough, roll it into cylindrical shape and cut it into small pieces. Now shape them like this. Now this is ready to be fried. Heat a pan with some oil. Once the oil is hot, drop a small portion and check. Now drop in the bites. Now fry it until golden brown in color. Once they become golden brown, remove it from the oil. Transfer into a plate and serve with ketchup. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.